Hello everyone. In this video, let us see important questions from the sets for the exam Polycet. Okay, the very one most important question from the sets is one question will be asking frequently, not only in the Polycet for all the competitive exams also. Like you will mention A subset B, then A union B equals to what? He will be giving with options also like A is equals to some A, option B, option C, pi that is empty set, and none of this. So what is the meaning of A subset B first? See, A subset B and A subset are equals to B, both are different. Like if I say A subset B means, for example, I'm taking A is equals to 1 comma 2 and b is equals to 1 2 some 4 or 3 whatever you can take. So all the elements of A are there in the B, and B is having some extra elements. This is suitable for A subset B, and A subset are equals to B means if A is equals to 1 and 2 and B also 1 comma 2 only, so this is said to be A subset are equals to B. Like all the elements of the A are there in the B, as well as say both are having the same elements. Subset are equal. Subset definition nothing but elements of one set should be present in the another set. What could be the answer here? If I consider the same example of 1 2 and 1 2 4, if I do union B, automatically you know that whenever we are doing union, we'll be taking all the elements and from A and B both. If anything is repeated, we will be taking for only one time. So the result will be 1 to 4. So we'll be getting the set as B. Same question if it is given A subset to B, asking for A intersection B, that will be A. You remember this. Based on this, we may get a question in competitive exams also. So after this, there is a chance of getting the question based on cardinal number, that is a number of elements in a set, and there is a formula like n of A plus n of B equals to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. Out of these four quantities, any three quantities will be given to you, asking for the another one. Like if n of A is equals to 7, n of B is equals to some 3, and n of A union B is equals to, suppose it is given like 9. What is n of A intersection B? So you can write n of A intersection B equals to n of A plus n of B. So we are finding this one. So send to the left side, minus n of A union B. That is nothing but 7 plus 3 minus 9. That is nothing but how much we get 1. This is the formula, and I said cardinal number like if it is given, suppose math, let us take math. I'm taking a word math. Suppose math is taken as a set. Okay, now math is taken as a set. How many elements will be there, and what is its how many subsets are going to be there, and what is its cardinal number? If it is a question like that, so if I take math as a set form, like we'll get M A T H, all will be getting, because nothing is repeated. If it is repeated, I will be taking only one time in the set. Since nothing element, no element is repeating, so we consider all the elements. Suppose I am taking this set as some x. So if I want a cardinal number, n of x is equals to how much? 4. Okay. What about its subsets? See, number of subsets. Number of subsets is equals to 2 to the power of n. Formula is 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of elements. So 2 to the power of 4, that is nothing but 16. So like this, how many number of subsets will be there, you may ask. Suppose if I consider school, like SCHOOL, I'm taking one O only. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the number of subsets for this? Cardinal number is 5. Coming to the number of subsets, 2 to the power of n. That is 2 to the power of 5, which is equals to 32. If you write 32 subsets will be there. And sometimes there may be a chance of getting question like there will be a question on true or false. Like every set every set every set is a subset to itself. Every set is a subset to itself. And one more point, null set. Null set, or we call it as empty set sometimes, and it is also called as void set. These are all the other names for the null set. Null set, empty set, or void set is a subset to every set. To every set. I'm listing only few questions here, like some of the questions I'm mentioning. You may get the same questions with the change of the numbers and some other questions also. I'm listing out only few questions. I'm discussing only few questions for making to reduce the duration of the video. We may get question on roster form. Roster form, like set builder form will be given to you. Let us take one set, n is equals to x such that x belongs to n, and 0 less than x, already it is given to n, so 0 less than x less than some 3 I have taken. So what could be the set here? So n can be written as I'm taking some number generally here. Belongs to n means we should not take a 0, and it is anyways it is given 0 less than or equal to x, we will get 1 2, that's it, not even 3 also, because 3 it is less than 3. Let me consider one more example to get clearly. Like I'm taking x such that like minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2. X such that x is equals to minus 3 less than or equals to x. I am writing once again here. X is such that x is equals to okay, x is equals to minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2. So in this case, and you'll mention x belongs to, suppose I'm taking whole number only, w, whole number. So by looking at the question, we may think that it is given equal, so we have to start with the minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Actually, if this condition is not mentioned, this could be the solution. But as it is mentioned, belongs to whole numbers, only whole numbers you have to consider. Like 0, 1, 2 is the solution. So these are the few topics I discussed, like a subset to be on this question, and cardinal number, and based on the number of subsets. So these are the some questions, important topics. So there are some more are there. I try to do with that also in a detail, with that one more video in detail.